Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about lists and tables. There are basically two lists, an ordered list and an unordered list. We are going to learn about an ordered list first. An ordered list is a list where its items, the list items, are numbered. Let's first make a comment, control plus slash, and write lists in here. And the tag for an ordered list is OL. Now, and the tag for a list item is LI. So let's just write list item 1. Oops. And let's copy this like copy this 4 times. 1, 4. And let's change this to 2, 3, 4, 5. It is now numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for the unordered list, the tag is UL. It's the same LI, Control-C, Control-V. However, an unordered list is bulleted. It is bullet pointed list, usually for the nav bar on web pages, but in HTML it is just a simple list. Let's make another comment for tables. Control/table. Tables are used only for your actual data, not for the web page layout. Before many years ago, people used to use tables for the web page layout, like for the nav bar, for the sidebar. But now you have to use CSS for the layout, because CSS styles the web page in a way tables cannot be able to style. Using CSS is much more recommended for the web page layout than tables. First, let's put the table tag, and the other tag is the head tag. And the body tag. It's basically like the HTML structure, like the head, the body, and the head tags. In the head is going to contain your headings, like the name, your email, your number, etc., age, etc. In the T head, let's put another tag, which is the TR tag, the table row tag. And then in between the TR tag, I'm going to put the TH tag, which is basically stands for table header, or the header cell tag. Inside this, we're going to be writing the headings like the name. Then let's Control C, Control V, name, age, and email. And by default, this is how the table will look like. Of course, you can change it using CSS, but again, this is HTML, and it will look, and the tables look very ugly because CSS is where all the styling is done, where everything is made beautiful, where everything is made pretty. Then, now the headings are done, let's go towards the body. And again, let's put the TR tag. But now, as this is a heading, so you're not going to be putting the TH tag. Instead, you're going to be putting the TD tag, which basically is table data or the table data cell. Let's put this 3 times. Okay, so this is for your name. So you're going to be copying this, Control C, Control V. So for your name, your age, and your email. And usually you're going to have more than just one data, more than just one row. So you're going to be copying this and then pasting it like 4 times. Control V. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pasting it 3 times, so in a total 4. Let's write Lauren Daniels, age 35, email Lauren D at, I'm just going to be putting Gmail as a, just because this is how it comes. Then let's write, actually let's change this to like 45. Then let's write, let's say Sophia Prime. Prime at gmail.com. Control X, Control V. Let's put the age 35. Then let's write James Johnson, age 25, and Gmail jjohnson at gmail.com. As we're going to be writing gmail.com, let's change this to Gmail instead of email. Then let's write Elijah Smith, age 15, and Gmail Elijah Smith at gmail.com. And this is basically your table. Again, it's very ugly because this is because this is HTML, not CSS. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.